Hey everybody, it's Rob with Sportsman Center again. Back on to the Turbo retrofit kit. Going okay. I had a few little issues, especially the downpipe. Getting the new downpipe put in can be a real bear. The bottom bolts and just getting it wiggled in. So here's where I'm at. Got the old exhaust manifold, the old passenger side exhaust manifold off. The new one installed, cleaned everything up real good. Make sure you clean everything. And though the driver's side exhaust manifold studs are an absolute bear, they are not star-headed torques, reverse torques, whatever, like everything else is. The best thing I found to get them out, and the ones I'm talking about are those right in there. Yeah. The best thing I found to get them out was a 5mm socket. And it didn't work worth a crap. I almost resorted to pulling the manifold, but I couldn't find a gasket today, so I really didn't want to stall the job for that. So I didn't. But finally got them out, got them back in, put the new up pipe on. There's the new down pipe, upper part of the down pipe. That bolts. There's the new up pipe from the passenger side. And new manifold, new exhaust manifold. All that went pretty smooth for the most part. Now I'm about ready to wrestle the turbo and get it in. By the way, it don't say anywhere, but it's pretty obvious that you must mount the turbo to the pedestal before installing in the truck. I was going to try to do it in 2 pieces till I realized there's no way, because the bolt's got to be mounted from here. By the way, best brake clean in the world. And stuff will take anything off. But that's where I'm at. Did a lot of Googling this morning trying to figure out where screws, bolts, nuts went on everything. Like I said, this kit is complete. New heat shields, all the bolts, all new clamps, V-clamps, nightmare clamps, back pressure sensor. Thank God, new coolant line. Mine was leaking and creating a hell of a mess. So that's where I'm at. About to get the turbo mounted in after I put the, actually I'm gonna put them heat shields on now, I guess. Okay, check back a little bit.